Today I'm going to do a video of something that's probably fairly common, at least it has been with me. Rattly loader bolts. You'll notice the loader bracket will start rattling around a lot. This machine's got about 500 hours on it, and then you'll notice this bracket moving around. You say, well, I'll just tighten it up 21 millimeter, and when you start to turn the bolt to tighten it, it goes super easy, and you realize it's no longer a bolt, it's kind of a pin. And what happens is the bolts will stretch and then rip, and you can see this one was really only held on by just a little bit, and then when I turned it with a wrench, it snapped. A couple different ways you can fix it. This is just the way I'm going to do it. It's going to be a couple parts here. The first thing I did was I priced out what this bracket would be. I said, well, how much can that cost? It was punishingly expensive, so that wasn't going to be a thing. I did the other side last summer, and I attempted to extract the old broken bolt out of the inside, but this is the rust belt, and that wasn't happening. So what I ended up doing was I removed this piece, which wasn't too hard to unbolt. This is nut and bolted, so those will come off. And then I put the whole thing in a drill press, and these are a 16 millimeter bolt originally, and 5/8 is just about damn near the same size. And I used this as its own jig. Ran the 5/8 into this hole, got that one in good shape, then just stuck a 5/8 bolt in as a pin, broke off the next one, and so on and so forth. Then the piece in here, now drilled out to 5/8 with no threads in it, I drilled out with an 11/16 and tapped for 3/4. I went with coarse, and just some red Loctite on the other side, and that has held up pretty good, as you can see. You know, nice and rugged. That one doesn't move an inch, and I think it's a good repair for it. And when you do put it on, just go ahead and match mark with like a magic marker, so you can see if they ever do turn. Mine, knock on wood, have not. And so now what I'll do is I'll remove this bracket and jig it up in the drill press, and I'll show you a video of that fun, and we'll see how she goes.